Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to teach you a sewing tutorial. I'm not going to lay out some sewing advice. I'm going to take you on a little fashion journey. I thrifted some items behind me. I'm going to share what I got, build some fits out of them, do a little tailoring, some DIYs, and then go out on the streets, take some pics, maybe do a little shopping. It's a different style of video. Comment if you like this style so I can keep running them. And let's get into it. This first piece is like this teal mint blue shirt. It's got the lapel collars like I was looking for. The brand is Bluestone Club, so I'm not really sure what the brand is exactly. 65% polyester, 35% rayon, and rayon is like a very nice fabric. It feels great, it's light, soft. A lot of Hawaiian shirts, like really good ones, are made out of rayon. The hem, it's not bad, it's pretty long. I think it's ideal if you want to tuck in your shirt, but I feel like I have a bit more of a slimmer, narrow build, so I don't really like tucking in. I like to add some width by having a little bit baggier clothes. But overall, the shirt's great. The material's light. It's like a see-through-ish type shirt. Cost me 10 bucks, so that was a steal. This is the second shirt that I got, which again, that lapel collar, the brand is George. Walmart brand. It was founded by George Davies, and it was just like a mass market fashion brand, and they got acquired by Walmart in 1999. I really dig this design because a lot of Hawaiian shirts have their designs printed on the material, but this one's in the weaves of the material. Like you can actually see there's texture to it. It's that little extra detail that I like, just gives a little bit more oomph. And the color's really dope. It's like a greenish tan color, very muted, very solid piece, very solid cop. This one was, I think, 10 bucks as well. This is the last shirt from the pickup, which again, little baby lapel collar here. I think it's insane that there were 3 mediums, short sleeve button-ups with the lapel collar that I was able to get in this one store. It's got this blue print, this Y2K dragon decals kind of look to it. Very cool. Very throwback, nostalgic. It's from this company, Urban Rags Clothing Inc. This shirt is gonna be a lot of fun to build. One small detail that I found about this shirt and the Hawaiian shirt is that beneath the buttonholes, there's a little bit of interfacing, which it just provides support for stabilizing the buttonholes, adds a little bit more weight. I personally like it when it has that interfacing behind it, just like a small detail that I think translates into probably like better detail in the construction of the shirt. So I appreciate that. And this shirt's wild. Like, it's very much a highlighter piece, a standout piece. If you look at my wardrobe, a lot of my colors are like black, grays, white. It's very simple stuff you could wear every day. This is something that's really gonna work my creative outfit skills. Hopefully I could pull something off. Not something I would wear every day again, but like, you know, when you're feeling it, you're confident, you wanna bust out a nice fit, get some looks, then you want this shirt. So I'm excited to build a fit out of this. Let's see where that takes us. This one was 10 bucks as well. And I went into this looking for something almost exactly like this, so that's a steal. Automatic cop for me. First pair of pants. There's some linen pants. They're from Island Importer. I never thought that I would ever buy linen pants. I didn't really think it was my bag, but when I saw these, I saw the color, I saw the fit, a little bit looser, baggier. I was like, all right, let's give it a try. They're size 32. I typically wear 30. It's actually 27 inches on the inseam, which brings it up a lot higher than most pants. And I think it's because when you think about linen pants, you're thinking about wearing pants on vacation at the beach. You don't want these long hems to be caught in the sand, near the pool and water, usually wearing sandals. Usually want a higher hem. That makes sense for these type of pants. What's also cool is the bottom hem. There's a really big hem allowance. This is about 1.5 inches, almost 2 inches. So technically I could take this hem apart and bring it down more if I wanted to, which is like a nice custom option for you to work with these pants. And again, the color, it's like this light beige, and I'm really digging it. I'm excited to put a fit together. I don't usually use light pants, so it'd be good to try. 10 bucks. 10 bucks for this. Like, this is probably the biggest steal out of everything. Let's check out the last pair of pants. These are Kenneth Cole dress pants. Very faint pinstripes. You could just barely see it. And they are Kenneth Cole. Funny story about the brand. When they first started, they were gonna launch a pair of shoes, a shoe line, and the market that they wanted to enter was too expensive. So they wanted to get a permit for a truck to be pulled up outside the market, sell some shoes. The government only grants permits to full productions like movies or utility companies. Kenneth Cole decided to change his company to a production company, hire a director, actresses for models, and he had a trailer pulled up about 2 blocks away from the market, and they sold like thousands of shoes that week, and it's just a cool little story. The fit for these, the waist is great. The length, there's about one break when I wear it with shoes, which is bueno. This one was 20 bucks. A little bit more on the expensive side, but for a pair of Kenneth Cole dress pants, you know, they're pretty good quality, so happy. In total, for 3 shirts, 2 pants, I paid 60 bucks. I'm not mad at that. Do you think I overpaid? Do you think I secured the bag? What y'all think? Let me know in the comments. And let's get into the fun part, building some fits. Let's get it. Before we can build a fit, we got some tailoring to do. Have you ever seen a more dramatic hem job? Okay. Fit time. We outside. The shirt's hem fits a lot better. Now the hem sits a bit above my butt, which I think looks better when it's worn untucked. But you can still tuck it in. It's an easy hem job to fix up a thrifted piece, so I'm happy with that. For the bottoms, I chose to pair it with the striped thrifted pants. I think both colors pair really well together, and also the fit, like the silhouette, when you see both of them together, they do well. So it was an easy pair up. And for footwear, I have my Cole Haan loafers. I bought these a few years ago. I've worn them a lot. I kind of give them a 2 out of 5. They look great, but they're just not super comfortable to wear all day, and they don't have any grip. Like, I'm constantly sliding and it just doesn't really do well for me, so I probably would have copped the Doc Marten loafers. They got that iconic air cushion sole with like a black or red leather. Accessories with a dress shirt, pants, loafers. I didn't really think a cap would do well, so I just gelled my hair. But I'm kind of in this mid phase where I'm trying to grow out my hair, so it's not short, but it's not long yet. So you just kind of got to make do and accessorize in other ways, like add some glasses. These are some red tint glasses. You could do blue tint, green tint, yellow tint. It's a good way to add some accessories to your head top. And I got my chain, got jewelry, rings, bracelet. For this fit, you could wear it tucked or untucked. So what do y'all like better? Should I wear it tucked in or not? But the shirt that I thrifted, no edits to this. It's got the lapel collar, which I like. The bottom hem sits well. It's almost like the teal shirt after the hem job. And I chose to pair it with these Dickies 874s in brown. So I bought it true to my waist size. And it's pretty clutch because the leg opening is big enough for me to fit these cowboy boots under. Cowboy boots, I got them from Nashville. They're like this fake ostrich style leather. Got some red undertone to it, which is nice to bring in a little bit of color into this. Got the blue tint glasses this time, same rings, bracelet, and instead of the long gold chain, I got the pearl necklace. It's a little bit shorter, so you'll see it more, and I feel like it fits the Hawaiian vibe. Just like adds a little bit of pop to an overall fit that's pretty muted. The colors themselves, I would say fairly neutral, so it fits a lot of different occasions. Great for any mood, so it's a good fit. The blue shirt's up next. Oof, this one's gonna be fun to style. Maybe throw on a hat too. Maybe, I don't know, a bucket hat? Boom, bucket hat made. You could sew it yourself actually. I have a tutorial for beginners. If you're ever curious on how to sew, check that out on my channel because all my tutorials are for beginners. For the shirt, it's got this Y2K vibe, very fun, cool print, dragon, flames. So I put a white long sleeve under that, kind of like schoolyard vibes when you wanted to wear your favorite shirt, but it got too cold. You gotta throw the white long sleeve on underneath. For bottoms, I got these 511 green cargo pants. And for the footwear, I got these Club C's. These are a really, really old pair. It's a good thing I bought a new pair for this video. New pair of shoes, fresh, clean, they're white, they match a white long sleeve, so we're good. And then on top of that, glasses. So I got 2 pairs here, this like yellow orange tin, also thrifted. Pretty fun to wear, but on like a more casual note, just like some classic Ray-Bans. So for probably like 2011, 2010, these were really popping. So I'd probably wear those. I also got these wired headphones. Everyone's on this Bluetooth vibe, but when you're wearing a Y2K shirt, you're trying to throw it back in time, you gotta have the wires. Let me know which sunglasses y'all like better, the orange light tinted glasses, the fun ones, or the classics, the Ray-Bans, the Wafers, 2010 vibes. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. The linen pants. What to do with these bad boys? The best for last. I didn't have a top in my closet that I felt went really well with these pants, so we're gonna find one and do a little shopping. Kensington Market, Toronto's one and only where you can find all sorts of things, knickknacks and whatnot. Don't even think about driving here. Even on a weekday, it's super busy. There's lots of fresh food, nice eats, and of course, lots of thrifting. Oh, that's pretty well. Immediate go. That's a pretty good fit so far. Pretty good. You like it? Yeah. I was trying to find a top specifically for these pants. Check out the mirror. Pretty good. So this is the fit. I got this green LL Bean shirt. Fits well on the shoulders, fits well on the sleeves. The hem's nice. The hem's actually got this nice high cut here. It's kind of scooped. Luckily, the first thrift store we went into, the first item I saw was a cop. It's pretty lucky. When you go to these thrift stores, you never know what you're gonna find. Whenever I have crop pants, I like to wear high top shoes. So for this fit, I just threw on some black combat boots. High top looks nice. The crop look, wide leg. It's fits well together, everything. And then for accessories, the usual jewelry, rings, bracelet, and then a pair of old school wafers. Yeah, I think this all went together. Luckily, one store, one cop. The first thing I saw worked out nice, so recording 144. Not gonna be teaching you how to sew with the tutorial, and I'm not gonna lay out some fashion. I thrifted some items behind me, and I'm gonna share with you what I got. Why does this keep happening? Well, everything went together nicely. If you like this style of video, it's very different from my usual. Can you let me know so that I know to put out more of these? Maybe we'll do some more thrifts, some eBay finds, Etsy finds, craft brands. So let me know. Until next time, peace.